Alright, it is 10:30, November 7th, December 7th, 2009, Emporia, Kansas. Just starting our journey for the Blizzard 2009 light dusting. We got Daniel Bettan and Dave Holder. Alright, it is 4 o'clock on Tuesday, December 8th. 4 o'clock in the morning, that is, a.m. We have Daniel watching a heavy snow band that is developing just to our south. That'll be riding up into our area, into St. Joe, Missouri. We've got Dave Holder setting up the stream. And as you can see outside, maybe, it is snowing. Alright, it is Tuesday morning, December 8th. We are heading up north to Rockport, Missouri, which is in the far northwest corner. As you can see, we had snow overnight. It's getting ready to pick up again this morning. See, we have a jackknife tractor trailer here on I-29 northward. Alright, it is 12 noon. We are heading north still to Rockport. We are about 9 miles to the south of Rockport, heading up north on I-29. As you can see, road conditions are rapidly deteriorating as we move northward. There's about estimating 4 to 5 inches of snow on the ground, and it's snowing heavily. Visibility is down to under 1 mile. So we will continue to document this storm as it emerges out into the plains. Alright, we are in Rockport, Missouri, far northwest corner of Missouri. As you can see, snow is heavily falling at this time. Visibility under 1 mile. 6 inches plus on the ground, rapidly accumulating.